This model kit review is of the Heinkel 178. This is a jet plane, and it's part of their jet building in World War II. And this is a 148 scale model by Special Hobby, and this is made in the Czech Republic. Here's the painting guide. And let's have a look and see what's inside. So it looks like the wings have been taken off already. We do have some parts still on the sprue here. Fairly well molded. A little bit of mold line there. Here are the wings, with some recessed panel lines. You can see here they didn't line up very well. It's going to need some filling and gluing. Looks like we do have some other options for wings. These are so much better quality, and these are supplied with it. It's more accurate. Here's our other version. These are the fuselage halves, nicely molded. We do have some wheels with some detail. They're flat. And our tails, stabilizer. Not a lot of detail here for the inside of the cockpit. It doesn't look like. We'll have to look and see what the photo etch parts have here. Here's our seat, as you can see, also not very well molded. We have some mold lines. No detail on the inside here. Here's our canopy. It's nicely molded. And we do have some resin and photo etched parts. So those are our decals. These look like these are the wheel wells with some detail on there. And here we have the photo etched parts. Let's have a look at our instructions. So here it tells you don't use those wings. You supply the additional wings. And then the photo etched parts. Those are the resin parts. So first of all, we cut out this wheel well on the inside of the fuselage. So that's that part there, needs to get cut out. And we build the cockpit. Looks like there will be some details from the cockpit. That's all made out of the photo etched parts. We put together the cockpit and all the other parts inside the fuselage. Wings go together and go on top, as well as the stabilizer. And some additional, looks like photo etched parts here for landing gear, to give some additional detail. Wheels are applied, and then the canopy's put on. Here are the painting guide, and it's about a very simple model, but it's going to be difficult for those who don't usually use resin and photo etched parts.